Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2011 Chevy Impala. It came in for one of our free spring inspections. Took the vehicle for a drive, noticed that there was some banging when we stepped on the brakes coming from the right front. Got the vehicle in, lifted it up, completed our inspection. We noticed that the right lower control arm bushing was worn out. That was what was causing the banging when we were applying the brakes. Advised the customer that we could repair the bushing only, not the entire lower control arm, to help save them a little bit of money. They said yeah, they would love to do that. Got that repair done. Checked the alignment to make sure that was still in good shape after replacing that suspension component. Took it for a test drive, all the noises were gone. We were able to complete that job, get the customer back on the road in a timely fashion, which they were extremely grateful for. So if you have a vehicle that's making some strange noises or definitely doing something that you're not sure of, we do offer free inspections. Please feel free to give us a call. My name is Dan. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.